Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. I'm Lisa Grace and today I'm going to show you how to do this nude to blue ombre. So I've already applied my tips and cut them down, shaped them and blended them. So I'm going to be using my nail dehydrator. And for these nails today I'm going to be using Natural Beige, Metallic Blue, and I will be capping them all in Crystal Clear. I'm going to be using the round 08 brush and the Max Adhesion monomer. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my colour first. If you're not overly confident with ombres, I recommend using either a metallic or a shimmer. They tend to blend a little bit nicer as opposed to your harsher colours. So it's completely up to you if you wanted to go in with your colour first or your nude first. I do find with these metallics though, they do look better if they go down first and then you ombre the nude over the top. So I'm going to make sure I've got the correct amount of density that I want on the free edge and then blend that up into nothing. And I'm going to do that on all of the nails. If you do need to come back in and add a little bit more of your colour, which I'm going to on this tip, then that's fine. The key is to make sure that it is completely flat. So when I'm blending, I keep my brushes as flat as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Natural Beige. So if you are doing it in one bead, straight up in at the cuticle. Again, keep that nail tilted down, let gravity help you out. Make sure you're happy with the cuticle and your sidewalls. And then again, keeping your brush nice and flat to get a nice even blend. We're just going to blend that down the nail like that. If you're not confident enough to do it in one bead, you can break it down into two. So if you are using two beads, pop your first bead in the middle, make sure it's blended to the natural nail, and then blend that down, and then you can come in with your cuticle bead and blend that down. So we are working in thin layers because this design will need capping, otherwise you'll just file your ombre off. So because we are working in thin layers, if you're not happy with the fade that you've done, you can then go back in with your blue and fade that up, or come back down with your nude. As long as you're not adding too many layers, because we don't want bulky nails, you can layer it up until you're happy. Okay, and then all of these nails need to be capped with Crystal Clear. We'll just give these a few minutes to dry and then we can start filing them up. Okay, so I'm going to get these nails all filed up now. I usually start off filing my sidewalls in, so from the sides and from the underneath as well. And then around the cuticle, making sure that you're using the curved part of your nail file. How's that feeling? I know you hate it.
It's alright actually, it's when you start getting towards the end of it.
Okay, when you're happy with your cuticle section, I'm going to start coming up and over the nail, down the full length of this nail. And towards the centre. And same again on this side, coming towards the centre. And I'm just going to give these nails a bit of a buff before I go in with my top coat. I tend to buff the nails before I top coat if I have done an acrylic design. I find it just gives it a slightly clearer finish than just going straight in with your top coat. And I'm going to be using the Urban Graffiti top coat. And they can go into the lamp for a full cure. And I'm going to finish off these nails with some pink pineapple cuticle oil. So here are the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the product used in the video will be in the description box below. Thanks!